In this video, you'll learn how to add Mailchimp to your Big Cartel account. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate these two platforms to enhance your email marketing capabilities. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Mailchimp website. You can do this by typing in the URL or searching for Mailchimp. Once the page loads, look for the login button located in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on it to proceed. If you are not already signed in, you will need to enter your login credentials, provide your email address and password, then click the login button. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Mailchimp dashboard. This is the main interface where you can manage your email campaigns and integrations. Next, locate the integrations option on the left sidebar of the dashboard. Click on this option to access the integrations page. This section allows you to connect various applications and services to your Mailchimp account, enhancing your marketing efforts. After the integrations page loads, find the search bar and type in Big Cartel. This will help you quickly locate the Big Cartel integration. Once you see the option appear in the search results, click on it to proceed to the integration details page. On the Big Cartel integration page, you will see a button labeled Get Started. Click on this button to initiate the connection process between Mailchimp and Big Cartel. This action will take you to the authorization screen. Now, you will need to authorize Mailchimp to connect to your Big Cartel account. Look for the button that says Authorize Mailchimp and click on it. This step is crucial as it allows Mailchimp to access your Big Cartel data for effective integration. If you are on a free Big Cartel plan, you may encounter a message indicating that Mailchimp is only available on paid plans. If this occurs, you will not be able to complete the integration unless you upgrade your Big Cartel account. Read the message carefully for further instructions. Once you have successfully authorized the integration, you should see a confirmation message indicating that Mailchimp is now connected to your Big Cartel account. This completion message confirms that your integration was successful and you can now utilize Mailchimp for your email marketing. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.